Kala. So, maot na ta sa atong sakyanan. Kay mo ato na punta sa store. So, tanawa ko. Grabe ang bundle up ko ngayon. So, mag-vlog tayo kauban si Apam. So, mo ato na pud mi og among paborito nga store. Human namig kaon, human namig date, no? O, tuwara ang atong Apam mo. Ang atong...
Do I have food on my face?
Huh? No.
Okay.
That's honey. My love so sweet. So, arimi. Oh, di ba? Vlog-vlog lang tayo para meron tayo pang update kay Meta. Ay, charat. So, hopefully, walang music. Ayan. Tinanggal ko yung gloves ko. So, dito tayo sa store ngayon. Ayan. Ayan ang kapaligiran ngayon. Kapaligiran, oh. Ayan, nagbukas na. Automatic. Ayan, dito tayo sa store. Ayan. So, maganda mga kapiskot kasi nakita tayo sa camera, nag-vlog. So, dito tayo, no? Dito kami palagi nagpupunta-punta. Kasi, hindi siya crowded. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga product nila dito. Ayan, mga product nila, oh. Oh. Ayan. Tanggalin natin tong. Magtanaw tayo ng watch. Saan yung watch? Honey, I'm gonna look here, honey, real quick.
This one I think is this Sonoma. I think it's.
So, I'm here, mga kapiskot, no? So, lantaw tayo ng mga oh, honey, I drop it. So, look at this. Very expensive, no? Expensive. Wow. Look at this ring. Ring. Very nice, no? Earrings, Mandaini. How much is this? Wow. Grabe kamahal ni. Earrings, 2 ka buok. Nindot siya, guys, no? Yan, nindot to, earrings. Tapos may... Wow, nindot siya, guys, oh. I like this style. Wow. That is some scenario. Very nice. I like the style of the earring. Wow, this is nice. I don't know how much. $30? $30.
Yeah, but it looks like it's pretty big on your finger.
Yeah? Wow, 19. Wow, 19 only. Wow. So 19, so $20. What is this? Who took this one?
It's an earring.
Is that earrings too?
It's all of them.
Oh my goodness, sale already. Nag-sale na. Mga kapiskot, nag-sale na. Mga kapiskot, nag-sale na. Oh, I like this bangle. What is this? Journey Trust. Oh, I love this. Gusto ko to, oh. Maganda siya, oh. Maganda. Hala. What is a bangle, honey? Is that necklace?
Bracelet.
I like it. This one, look this one. I like those bracelet.
Let me see.
Like, so many charm like.
Yeah, but I think that looks kind of small.
Oh really?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's adjustable.
Yeah, adjustable.
Looks like.
Mas bana my love. Oh. That was very nice. All this one's bangle, honey, huh?
I don't know.
This is
I don't know the difference between a bangle and a bracelet.
oh, this is pretty too. But
Yeah.
yeah, honey. Where you want to go, my love?
I don't know.
Okay. Look at there because I look at
You're the
the.
one who wanted to do shopping today, not me.
Yeah, I know. I know. Wow, look at all this watch. What brand is this?
That one.
That one?
Folio.
Polio?
Yeah, I don't think it's a real brand.
Polio. Watch mga
I think it's a
kapiskot.
cheapy watch.
Cheapy. Sabi ni my love, cheapy pero nice siya mga kapiskot, no? Oh, look at the
Antico would buy because you know how Muno is.
look at the black. It's cute. It costs 21,000 pesos only, or 1,050 pesos in peso. So it's worth it. Oh, very nice. How much is this?
It's $20.
Oh, nindot siya guys, oh. Nindot. Oh, very nice. Baka bilhan natin si
I don't know
admin.
if it works because the second hand ain't moving.
Pero look at this.
It's got a pillow. It must be sleeping.
Pillow, how much is this? 20 and 30?
See? I think it's sleeping because it has a pillow.
Yeah. Look at this, my guys, oh. Oh, look at that. Ito kasi Nine West, original to. Oh, Nine West is a good brand, okay?
Is it?
Yeah.